Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming 3 prerequisites: your Kite ID and mobile access, the Google Authenticator app installed, and correct phone time. Once those are ready, log into Zerodha Kite and go to Profile Two-Factor Authentication. You'll choose to enable an Authenticator app instead of SMS. Make sure to keep your recovery PIN or backup codes handy. This first step moves you from passive setup to generating a secret key that you'll pair with the app. Once Kite shows a QR code or a secret key, open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon to scan or enter the code manually. You'll see a new 6-digit rotating token appear every 30 seconds. That's how time-based one-time passwords work. Now type the current 6-digit code back into Kite's verification field and submit. Make sure you enter it before it refreshes. If it expires, wait for the next token. This step binds your Kite account to the app securely. After verification, confirm enabling two-factor authentication and download or note the backup codes. Store them offline. You should then test by logging out and signing in with your user ID plus the app's 6-digit code. If a code is rejected, first ensure your phone's clock is set to network-provided time, because time drift breaks tokens. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the authenticator in Kite to scan a fresh key. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.